In 1996, a seed was planted. By 2026, it has grown into a global ecosystem. Headquartered in Guangzhou, with marketing and service centers across Shanghai, Beijing, Singapore, and Indonesia. Our mission is clear. Your one-stop partner for commercial coffee, tea, and beverage equipment, trusted by over 300,000 customers worldwide. T&Z Experience showrooms offer live demonstrations, supported by our own manufacturing facilities, specializing in commercial espresso machines and intelligent beverage bar equipment. Professional OEM and ODM solutions are available. Recognized as a national high-tech enterprise with patented technologies and internationally recognized certifications, T&Z and Latitina espresso machines come with an industry-leading 1-year warranty. Lahig delivers complete tea and coffee bar solutions, backed by a coffee roasting facility with an annual production capacity of 24,000 tons and customized coffee bean services. Our Coffee and Tea Academy integrates AI technology to empower entrepreneurs from startup to daily operations. Our nationwide after-sales network covers every prefecture-level city across China. Rooted in China. Trusted worldwide.